Hey there, Tom from DSC Sport here. We're installing the DSC module on the GT4. This is one of our most popular products. As a bolt-on product, it really improves the handling of the car. So since it's one of our most popular products, we do get a lot of questions on the installation. It's actually quite simple, so I'll show you now. So a couple tools that you'll need is a ratchet, quarter-inch drive, 10mm socket, and you may need a screwdriver, but you'll see, maybe not. So very easy. In the right corner of the hatch area, this just pulls out. That's a trim carpet piece. And next thing you do is put your hand here to pull back on the carpet, and there you'll see the factory PASM module. You see there's a nut here. This is where the socket and ratchet goes. There's the nut, and now we just lift the unit above the stud, and it just comes out. Just have to work it a little bit. So now, this is the part that we get the most questions on, is releasing of these two factory connectors. You can see from the diagonal slot here, it actually slides in a diagonal manner, just like how these lines are. So with firm grip, we'll pull this back. Now in some cases, it is very tight, especially it's the first time we're moving this unit. So if so, where my thumb is applying the force, you could actually take that flat blade screwdriver, put it in here, and get some additional leverage out of it. But in this case, it's not bad at all, so I can just apply force with my thumb, and it comes right out. And usually the smaller connector, the one that has two slots, it's the easier one to come out, has less resistance, so this one just pulls out. So there's the stock unit. Here's the DSC. As you can see, the connectors are exactly the same, and we would use the same hole for the mounting. As you can see here, which is this one. So we'll put this in here, get this to line up. Once it's lined up, you should be able to just apply a little bit of force, and it will go in halfway on the slots. And just set another visual inspection, make sure it's lined up. And if you hear the click, it is fully engaged. And you can tell by the little pegs that are in the slots. So now if we go to the smaller one, line up, make sure it is. That's it. It's positively in. Now, for those who plan on doing some custom tuning, on the back of the DSC module is a port for mini USB. So if you do plan on doing some data logging or custom tuning, you should buy a USB cable and just leave it permanently attached to here and leave the other end of it sticking out of the carpet so it has accessibility without having to remove the carpet trim each time. So, this back in on the stud, nut,
You don't want to over tighten this because this is plastic, and by over tightening it, you will crack it. So it just makes contact, and that's it. It is secure. We're now reversing the process by putting this carpet back. So a little lift here, that helps. And with this, you want to line these two up. The bottom here. And then the upper pegs. Click, click, in. And we're done.